Right now I'm playing Minecraft on my computer. See, I just finished my bedroom, and I am playing survival mode, and my house is pretty big. It's my upstairs, and it's like a ginormous house. But I'm going to be making some Minecraft series soon, like at Christmas. I'm sorry about that thing. My mom didn't let me. It might be some early series if my mom will let me sometimes use her video camera, because Minecraft is for good quality and stuff, and this won't work. Me holding my iPad the whole time because I just can't do it. So there's my mouse. I'm gonna show you guys a quick tutorial around my room. There's our lizard. I'm probably gonna make a video about him. His name is George. There's his cage he ate, and here's my brother's fish tank. He has one fish in there, but it's not meant to be in there. We're taking it back. And then we're gonna fill up the water again, and then we're gonna get more fish. And then I don't know why. Here's we do not play Xbox here. My friend bring his Xbox, and there's his. I'm gonna make a tutorial later about the living room. There's one of our old stuffed animals we're getting rid of. There's pictures we have. Well, since I'm a bit of a fan of Halo. There's one of our posters of Halo 3. Then we have a Wars poster. There's our toy room. It's full of stuff. Nerf guns, Lego, and a whole bunch of stuff that we used to use, but not. So we're selling quite a bit. So that's our TV and stuff. Okay, well, peace out.